What's up, Butcher Crew? Welcome back. Got another video for you guys. Trying to make some minor adjustments to the intake we installed. I did notice that I told you guys there was a couple pulls that did pull good in the top end, but then there were some other pulls that I did that were like really sluggish, and I think I found out why. So I had to unbolt these, just for now, just to give me clearance, because this thing was rubbing up against it like pretty bad. It was like pushing it, and it wasn't creating a good seal here. As you can see here, the rubber is right up against it, and as we get closer over here, it just opens up a bit more. I'm not sure. I think it's because of those bolts I'm using, you see. So I've been trying to just play with it and move it around and just try to get it to fit, good, but I don't think that's going to be possible with this intake. It's a little too thick, and those bolts that I'm using, the nuts are not the ones that came with this, so I won't be able to use this filter, but luckily I do have a K&N one that I could still use. Still pretty decent shape, and this one does fit in all the way. Let me show you guys. Hold on 1 second. Alright, so this one does go in all around, all the way. There we go. So this one is like literally perfect, but it's still kind of rubbing up against this a bit. I had to, unbolt it just to give me that extra space, or else it wasn't gonna fit right. So that's my only concern now, is like, well, what can I do with this? I can't relocate, I can't bolt it on. I would really hate, it's pretty snug there, but I'd hate to just leave it like that, yeah, so I think I might have to do that for now, though, just to get the intake secure, and just make sure that we're not having any issues, not getting any air into the engine. But yeah, I'll leave it like this for now, just until I can figure something out. But yeah, guys, that's that. Got another update though with that little snorkel, the OEM one. It is gonna fit, but it's a really tight fit, guys. Let me show you. Alright, so I'm not sure if you guys were able to notice, but I did remove that plastic piece that covers here. I have it up top right here, because I wasn't able to get this snorkel piece in. It was just too much. But now that I got that out, if you slide this in from an angle here, look at that. All the holes line up. Nice. So we would be able to technically clip these on, The only issue is it's sitting right up on that, and that's gonna get hot. Might melt it, warm it up, who knows. So that's and then as for this little snorkel piece down here, we can still kind of use it, maybe, if we're able to like fit it in. And my thought process was maybe trim this, line it up here, find a good spot for it, cut a hole into the heat shield itself, and just feed this through, and then that way we could still like use our little snorkel. That'd be pretty dope. So that's one way this one idea I had, to feed air into the intake area. Another idea I had was running like they have those vents that I'll post a picture on it right here, but it's basically replaces the fog light plastic piece, and it has like a little hole, and it channels the air with like a little hose. You could channel it. So I was thinking of forcing one through there. Down here I think we might have some space. Some of you guys on Facebook did recommend me like cutting a hole into like the actual frame itself, or like any open area that I would have, but I don't think I'm gonna go that route, because it's already pretty tight space as it is down there, you see. So, and I feel like honestly I should be able to move some stuff around there and make space for that hose to like really just go in there. I feel like that's a perfect spot. So we would have that hose, and then we would have this OEM ram snorkel thing going on to channel cold air directly into the intake. So I feel that once we get all that set up, you know, we'd definitely be reaping all the benefits from this. But yeah, guys, that's the thought process. Those are the ideas. I'm gonna try to be working on that and see what I can do. So be patient. I got it. It's in the works. It's in the works. But yeah, guys, just wanted to give you guys a quick update on that. Yeah, we'll see how that turns out, guys. Pretty excited. So we'll see, maybe if I wrap this up with some like heat shield and maybe put some like heat tape on here just to like help things out, you know. Maybe even, yeah, heat wrap it, put a little heat wrap on here, and then like a little foam cushion, you know, something like that, something like these right here that I feel like that should be pretty good. So we'll see, guys. I'm gonna look into it, plan something out, and I'll definitely be making a video, so stay tuned, guys. Alright, so real quick, guys, I was playing with it a little bit more, and you know, I pulled the reservoir up as much as I could, and then I tightened up these nuts, and then now we can kind of wiggle it. It's gonna be a little tight, but you'll be able to get it on there. I'll show you guys. Just like that. It is gonna be pushing up against it just a tiny bit, guys, but honestly, I feel much better leaving it like that than having it all loose, you know. It's really not, the way the other one was set up was way worse. So we'll see. Alright, you guys didn't see that, but hell yeah, look at that. Sealed up all the way around. So we're definitely getting all the air we're supposed to. Now this, like I said, on the other hand, it's just pushing up against it just a bit. I think it should be fine, to be honest. We'll see. Hopefully we don't run into any issues, but as of now, I think that's pretty good, unless I can like figure out a way to move this up a bit more and then bracket up right there, but there's no mounting points here, so it would have to be like complete DIY, maybe zip tied or some shit. But for now, I think this is good. We'll see. I'm gonna drive around like this for a bit and just see what the hell goes on. But yeah. So here's another thing that kind of worries me. So other than this being, you know, pushed on, leaning on the reservoir a bit, that little bolt down there, it's like pushing up against it. You guys should not be able to see. That one right there. So it's like right up against the rubber, but I mean, these rubber pieces are pretty thick, but again, you know, with the movement of the car as I step on it, I'm assuming the intake, you know, shifts up and down a bit, so hopefully it doesn't like ram a hole in there. Or like you see, I was able to push it up again a bit from underneath. You see it? So okay. Should be good. Fuck it. It is what it is. Alright. Should be good though. It's still secure. It's on there. So, yeah. Right on, guys. Just a little quick update, guys. You know, I'll start working on getting this retrofitted, and I'm gonna order some heat wrap and see. Hopefully that works. Hopefully, you know, the thickness of the wrap doesn't make things harder than they need to be, but we should be fine, guys. So that's it, guys. Quick little update video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace, peace, peace.